I cook fried rice in a pan. I cook fried rice in a pan. I sweep the floor daily. I sweep the floor daily. I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture. I clean the kitchen counter. I clean the kitchen counter. I wash the plates carefully. I wash the plates carefully. I rinse the cups with water. I rinse the cups with water. I store food in containers. I store food in containers. I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I chop the onions. I chop the onions. I set the dining table. I set the dining table. I clear the dining table. I clear the dining table. I wash the cooking pots. I wash the cooking pots. I wipe the dining table. I wipe the dining table. I clean the gas stove. I clean the gas stove. I throw the garbage outside. I throw the garbage outside. I change the bed sheets. I change the bed sheets. I fold the clean clothes. I fold the clean clothes. I hang the shirts properly. I hang the shirts properly. I water the plants daily. I water the plants daily. I clean the door handles. I clean the door handles. I tidy up the bedroom. I tidy up the bedroom. I organize the kitchen shelves. I organize the kitchen shelves. I wash the fruits nicely. I wash the fruits nicely. I keep the house clean. I keep the house clean. I prepare lunch for family. I prepare lunch for family. I serve food on table. I serve food on table. I wash the teacups. I wash the teacups. I clean the floor corners. I clean the floor corners. I check the water bottles. I check the water bottles.